In this video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip popcorn cookies. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of popped popcorn, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, 6 tablespoons of softened butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 cup of quick cooking oats, 2 large egg whites, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar, 1/2 cup of toffee bits, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Using an electric mixer, combine the butter with both of the sugars until everything's mixed thoroughly. Next, you're going to add the vanilla and the egg whites and mix everything until it's smooth. In a separate bowl, combine the flour with the baking soda. Now you're going to combine both of the mixtures together, stirring with a spoon so you don't overmix the dough. You want to stir them until they're just combined. Chop up the popcorn until it's the consistency that you want. Now mix in the popcorn, chocolate chips, toffee bits, and oats. Drop by spoonfuls on an ungreased baking sheet and bake in an oven that's been preheated to 375 degrees for about 10 minutes or until the cookies are golden brown. Let them cool on a wire rack before serving. If you like chocolate chip cookies, you definitely need to try these. If you do try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.